Good morning class, how are you today? Yeah, I think all the students you are very well. I am so today. Okay, who can tell teacher what day is it today? Yeah, today is Wednesday. What month is it? It's September. What is the date? The date is 2nd. What letter are on the top? And D are on the top. What year is it? It's 2020. Okay, now read with teacher. Wednesday, September, 2nd, 2020, numbers. Okay, everyone, every Wednesday, what will we learn about? Yeah, we will learn about number. Okay, who can count from number 1 until number 20 with teacher? Please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, everyone? Who can tell teacher last week? What did you learn about? Yeah, we learned about number 11. Okay, everyone. Now look at the whiteboard. Please tell teacher what's number? Yeah, it's number 10. Number 10 have number 1 and number 0. How about this? What's number? Yes, number 11. Number 11 have number 1 and number 1. Okay, now read with teacher. Review. Number 10. Number 10. P-E-N. 10. Please count how many have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 has. Number 11. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. How many hat do you see? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hats. Okay, everyone. Today we will continue to number. Who can guess? After number 11 is number 12. Oh, you know, this morning how the small boy give me a lot of hand. You want to see my hand? But I don't know the small hand. How many small hand does the small boy give me? Please help me to count first, okay? Have teacher to count. Okay, everyone? Now please count with teacher. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, 12 small hands. Okay, now please count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, good. Clap your hands all together, please. Okay. At the moment you have teacher count the small hand that have 12 hands. Okay, now you want to see number 12? It's here. Number 12. Please listen to me. Number 12. Number 12. Okay, now repeat after teacher. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12 have number? Number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. Number 12. Okay, everyone now look at the whiteboard. Please look at here. We will continue to Unit 12. Now please listen and repeat after teacher together. Unit 12. Unit 12. Number 12. Number 12. Activity 1. Activity 1. Color. Color. The word. Word. Number 12. Number 12. And picture. Picture. Okay, at the moment I show you number 12 already. You see number 12 how number? Number 1 and number 2. Stand is together like this. Equal number 12. 12 W 12 T W E L V E 12. 12 T W E L V E 12. T W E L V E 12. Okay, now you look at here. How many hearts stay here? Please count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, good. 12 hearts. Okay, I want all the students use the color pencil to color number 12, the word 12, and the heart. But you don't have the book really, so use your notebook. Okay, use your notebook to copy all in here. Unit 12, number 12, activity 1, color, the word, number 12, and picture. So, please copy and then you color. Color, the color that you use is up to you. What color do you like? Do you like blue, green, purple, or pink, or yellow, or red? It's up to you. Okay? After you copy already, please color it. When you finish this side, you will continue to activity 2. Please read with teacher. Activity 2. Activity 2. Color. Color. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. 12. T W E L V E 12. So, I want all the students, after you finish activity 1, you continue to activity 2, copy, and then you color number 12. What color do you like? Do you like green? You color green. Do you like purple? If you like purple, you color purple. Okay? Before I ask all the students how break, I want all the students tell me again what's number? Yes, number 12. What's number? Yes, number 12. Goodbye everyone. See you next session. Bye bye.